a it's a fun.
Fun. Fun.
Fun. How about this one, JM? Can you read this word for me?
Yes.
It
Bun.
oh, very good. It's a bun. Oh, we have here the letter P. What is the sound of the letter P? What is the sound? It's
Paw. Paw.
very good. It's a P. Now, you will help teacher name these pictures. What? So what is this? Who can answer, teacher? What is this one?
What?
The one with the underline.
Pillow.
Very good.
Pillow.
It's a pillow. Do you have a pillow inside your
Yes.
room? Yes.
Yes.
Is it big or small?